And I just drove down here from down the road, and now I'm stuck here. Like I can't get out. I'm parked down the road now, and I'm right before the first line that's down, and now I can't get out. Damn.
I'm trying to get the good pics for the damn cops to let us off.
Holy crap! Got to get a picture of this car. Look at this car from debris falling on it. The brick was literally ripped off of the walls.
Do you live?
I live down the street at Chateau de Normandy. Or not Chateau de Normandy, the Crestmont. I live at the Crestmont, right down the road. And I drove down here because they said on the news that all this was happening, so I figured I'd come down and check it out. Well, now I'm stuck because I'm right. Were you guys in the middle of this?
Yeah, pretty much.
You guys watched it fly right over you, or?
No, we were on the bottom.
You're on the bottom?
He was on the top.
How'd it sound?
It just got really quiet.
Really quiet?
No sound. That's just it.
There's no sound?
Oh, except for the roof and the windows blowing out. That's it.
It's wild.
And all the
And the
insulation.
brick's being ripped
You know, only about a half mile, if that, a quarter mile down the road at the Crestmont, right past Main Street, the whole wind was hardly even blowing.
Well, all of the, I don't know if you saw it, all the bricks.
Yeah, I just recorded all of that. How you doing, sir?
Doing good.
Looks like you're a little stuck there.
I ain't getting out.
I'm just filming a little bit here. I might send this in to a couple of news agencies. Can you tell me what happened? What you experienced?
It was pretty something, wasn't it?
You sitting in your car the whole time when it rolled right over you?
Sitting right here. I hunkered down and just waited her out, hoping for the best. It looked like it happened.
Wow.
We're lucky. Very fortunate.
Luckily you're being held down by a heavy trailer. Well, good luck to you, alright?
You too, thanks.
You live in those apartments now?
No, I live down the road. I just traveled down here before